Hi everyone, let's solve this problem here very quickly. We have 5 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of -1 equals 10. Okay, the first step we're going to take is to work on this term here so that we can have 5 to the power of x multiplied by 1 over 5 to be equal to 10, right? Because from one of the laws of indices, 5 to the power of -1 is 1 over 5. Now, we can multiply both sides of the equation by 5. So we have 5 to the power of x multiplied by 1 over 5, right? And the whole of this will now multiply 5. Then on the other hand, we have 10 multiplied by 5. Okay, so if we go on now, since we are multiplying, this can cancel this out so that we can have 5 to the power of x to be equal to 10 multiplied by 5. And now I'm already looking at the right hand side. Okay, can this exist in the base of 5? The answer to that is going to be no. Okay, but we can simplify this term. We have 5 to the power of x to be equal to 10 is 2 multiplied by 5. So multiply by 5 again. So this is what we have on the right hand side. And from here, our 5 to the power of x will be equal to 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2. So from here now, we will just take the square root of both sides. I mean, take the log of both sides, by the way, because we cannot have base 5 completely on the right. So we will now say that log 5 to the power of x should be equal to log, okay, this is log, right? We have log 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2. So at this point, we will, talk about a couple of laws of logarithm. The first law we'll talk about is the law that says log AB can be written as log A plus log B. Because of the addition between the multiplication between them, this can be written as log A plus log B. Now let's continue from here. Okay, let's continue. This means that our log 5 squared times 2 will now become, that will be equal to log 5 squared plus log 2. Okay, so this is what we have, right? Now let's continue from here. And the next law is that if you have log a to the power b, then you can write this as log okay, by the way, the power is going to come behind, right? So that means we should have b log a because the power can go behind. The same thing will work here now. This x is going to go behind to give us x log 5, and that will be equal to, the power here is 2, so that 2 will go behind, and we have 2 log 5. Then we have our plus log 2. We have our plus log 2. Now from here, we divide both sides of the equation by log 5, so that this one can just cancel this one out. The whole of this will be divided by log 5. So what is left on the left is x. Oh, that sounds somehow right. What is left on the left is x, and it's equal to, from here now, we can split this so that this log to base 5, log 5, will work for both numerators. So we have 2 log 5 over log 5. Then we have plus, we have log 2 over log 5. Okay, let's continue with that. So what do we have? If we go on, this can cancel this again, and our x will be equal to 2. Look at that, 2 plus, then the whole of this is log 2 divided by log 5. Okay, so why don't we apply what we call change of base to the to what we have here, log 2 over log 5, so that if you do that, this 5 becomes the base to the 2. So our value of x will now be equal to 2 plus, we have log 2 to base 5, because 5 becomes the base. So what do we have? This right now is our value. This is our value of x. We don't want to have decimal decimal number, but then we want to verify what we have done. The given equation is 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of -1 equals 10. This is 10. Now let's continue with this. Okay, let's continue with this. We have we now have 5 to the power of x, which is 2 plus log okay, let me write on this separately. So the equation, the value will now be 5 to the power of x, and our x is 2 plus log 2 to base 5. This is the value of x, and whatever we have here will be multiplied by 5 to the power of -1. Now, will this be equal to 10, because we have 10 on the other side? Okay, let me show you. Look at that. We are supposed to have 10 now. Now, let's work on this. We are having the same base. Pick one of them. So we now add the powers, meaning that we're going to have 2 plus log 2 to base 5. Now we want to add -5, so the addition will still turn to subtraction. Okay, so from here now, from here we have 5 to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1. Then we have plus log 2 to the base of 5. Okay, and then we apply another law, so that we have 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of log, okay, this is log 2 to base 5, log 2 to base 5. Now 5 to the power of 1 is what? 5. Then 5 to the power of log 2 to base 5. Now the base here is having 5 again as the base to the log, so this and this can go, so we'll just multiply this by 2. That is one of the laws of logarithm as well, and this is equal to what? 10. No wonder the equation is 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of -1 equals 10. So this is to say that our x, which is equal to 2 plus log 2 to base 5, truly satisfies the given equation. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.